Here we have a 2018 18 plate Range Rover Sport SDV6 HSE Dynamic. Now I do have the 4 superb 22-inch alloy wheels in gloss black. We also have the LED headlights with the black front grille. Now we also have the black Range Rover lettering, and we also have the bonnet vents on either side, and we also have vents on either front wing. Now I do have the black window trim as well as privacy glass on the rear with the black wing mirrors. And there's a quick look at another alloy wheel. Now I do have front and rear parking sensors with rear reversing camera, rear spoiler, and also shark fin antenna. We also have a power assisted rear tailgate, as you can see just there. Now I do have a nice spacious size boot, and we also have the 12-volt connectivity just there as well. Now on the right hand side we do have this button just here with 2 arrows where you can raise and lower the car to make loading luggage in the back easier. Now we also have the power assisted tailgate which goes back down again. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. The rear does look superb from every angle. Let's have a look at another alloy wheel. Now if we go to the rear of the car, we do have full leather seats throughout with ISOFIX points, pull down leather armrests with 2 nice sized cup holders and a little bit of a storage net just there. We also have storage behind the driver and passenger seat, and in the centre we do have this control panel where the 2 side seats, so this one and that one, are also heated when the car is running. We have storage just in there. We also have USB ports just there as well, and also 12-volt connectivity. On the doors we have your electric windows just up there, integrated Meridian sound system which is premium. We also have the lock and unlock button just there, as well as your door handle and the Range Rover individual trim just there. Now going to the front of the vehicle, there's a look at the driver's full leather front seat, which is extremely comfortable and is also heated electric and memory. So the electric memory function is just there, and the electric function is just down there. Now on the doors we do have the electric windows, integrated premium Meridian sound system, storage bin just down there, and then we have again the individual trim just there. Jumping inside the car, now foot on the brake we do have your keyless start. Now we do have the multi-function steering wheel just there as well, where we do have cruise control and speed limiter just there, and also you have lane assist there as well. You also have your phone and voice commands where you can turn the volume up and down as well. Then we have paddle shift if we wish to take the car into manual mode. Now I do have the screen in the centre where we do have all these different settings just there. I'll start with the satellite navigation just there. Now we do have off-road settings where we have your off-road information and low traction launch. Going to Bluetooth phone connectivity where you have your settings there, so when you've got your phone set up via Bluetooth, that's where you'll find your information. Go into this one, which is where you have your DAB radio. Click on source, you do have your media library just there as well. The one next to it, you do have your Bluetooth media connectivity where you connect to your Bluetooth device. Now if I press the home button, slide across, we do have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto just there. Now pop the car into reverse, you'll see the rear reversing camera just there, and the parking sensors, which is 360 degree just there. Now you do have the triangles just there, so there's nothing to worry about. So if I start moving, they will then go off. There we are. Now I'll pop that back into park. Come down to the screen in the centre just here, where we have your vehicle information, where you can go through your driver settings. So use the toggle or use the touchscreen. I'm going to use the toggle. So we have your dynamic program selected, eco, comfort, grass, gravel and snow, mud ruts, sand program, and also rock crawl. But I'm going to pop it back into auto. Now if I go into seats, we can turn the heated front seats on via the screen, or if I push down on the toggles just there, you can then control it via that. Now I'll go into climate control. We do have your dual zone climate control just here, and works just as you would expect it to. Now if I just turn it off, now we do have your individual trim just here as well. Push this open, we do have 2 nice sized cup holders, and see that little lip there, push that forward and you do have a fairly big storage bin just in there, where you'll find your 12-volt connectivity there as well. Now here you do have your suspension settings where you can raise and lower the vehicle. So currently it is lowered. You also have your traction control on and off, as well as your down and ascent assist, just there. And we do have your low traction launch just there as well, or your low range, sorry. Then you have your electric parking brake, soft touch leather armrest with storage in there as well. And there's a look at the passengers full leather front seat. Now the driver and passenger seat also have these armrests that fold down, which is a nice little feature, and you can use the toggle there to see how high or low you want it, so whatever fits your comfort position. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with fresh service, and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching. Video test drive of this Range Rover Sport SDV6 HSE Dynamic. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show that the vehicle drives exactly how you would expect it to. As you can see, I'm not having to fight with steering wheel to keep it a straight line. It is going straight and true. Now we do have cruise control and speed limiter on the right hand side of the multi-function steering wheel, and we also have paddle shift as well. Now we do have the virtual dash, where you can have any satellite navigation or any different functions that suit your preferences. Now to put it into manual mode, simply push the gear stick to the left and then it'll go into S, and you can also take over the gears. So I'm now in third, drop down to second, slow down for the roundabout, I'm going to take it out left, up to third, up to fourth, up to fifth, and then to let the car take back over, simply push back to the right and then the car will then take over. Now I do have very comfortable full leather seats in this vehicle, which are also heated. So for those cold winter mornings it really does make all the difference. And you can easily do 2, 3, even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Now being a Range Rover, it is got off-road settings and it has the air suspension. So going over any terrain it is very capable, and also going down the road, going over potholes or bumps, it takes it very well, and it really is a very comfortable car to drive. Now in the centre we do have satellite navigation as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We also have Bluetooth media and Bluetooth audio connectivity. And we also have the screen down here where you can go through the climate control, you can also go through the seats, and you can also go through the vehicle settings and also pick what terrain you're going over, as it has a wide range of terrains to pick from. Now here at RS Car Sales, we are a 5-star dealership with over 300 5-star reviews on Google, Autotrader and Car Gurus. And if you read through the reviews, our customers really do reiterate the fact how good we are to buy for and how caring of the company we actually are. Now we do offer free nationwide contactless delivery, so wherever you are in the country, we can facilitate that. Right now I'm going up to the industrial state and I'm going to take a right. I'm going to perform an emergency stop and put it straight into reverse, just to show that the brakes work exactly how I'd expect it to. And you'll see in the centre the rear reversing camera pop up. So pulling in now, make sure there's no cars, and then I'll be able to do the emergency stop in 3, 2, 1. Hard onto the brakes, straight into reverse, at no issues whatsoever, as you can see. Back into drive, again no issues whatsoever, and you can see the rear camera just there. Now if you're driving this vehicle today, you'd be listening out for any unwanted knocks or bangs, and if you've been listening out during this test drive video, there hasn't been any, which is always a bonus when buying a used car. Now if you haven't answered all of your questions and inquiries during this test drive and walk around video, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team, where they can answer any unanswered questions and also go through some inquiries with you. But that's it from me, so thank you very much for watching.